Hello everybody. As we all know, the coronavirus is a very serious situation, and also the stores are all out of everything. I went to Lowe's, I went everywhere looking for a mask, and I could not find a mask to buy. And you know, the mask is, because it's a respiratory infection, the mask is the first thing that you need to protect yourself. So today I'm going to show you how you make your own mask if you have someone in home that you need a mask and you couldn't find anywhere. I will show you to make a homemade mask to protect yourself. And here we have the paper towel. Let's take here a piece of paper towel, and what we are going to do, we are going to fold this paper towel, and you can do more than one sheet if you like, if you want thicker with more protection. And what we're going to do is fold all this, and you're going to use a rubber band here or a hair tie to do your mask. And here what you're going to do, you get the paper towel and you get the rubber band, and we are going to staple one side, and the same way we are going to staple the rubber band in the other side. And then here you have your mask, and I am going to show you how I am going to use my own. And like I said, you can always put more than one sheet, or if you find a thicker paper towel, even better. You know, you can use and to protect yourself. And here I have to watch out here for my hair that is sticking. And here, everybody, this is your homemade mask. You know, and here I have so many different ideas. I have with the hair band, and I have with the rubber band. And like I said, you can use double of the paper if you like. And this is a better protection than not have anything to cover your face if this is a respiratory disease. It's also time, probably, because we cannot find any soaps and stuff in the stores. I'm going to put soon a video of how to make your own home sanitizers. So I hope you guys like this idea. If you like, don't forget to give me thumbs up, clicking my picture and subscribing to my channel. Share this idea with everybody that you know in your social media. And don't forget to activate the bell so you can get my next ideas to protect yourself from the coronavirus. Thank you so much. I'll see you next video.